Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always. What have we got today?
Well, today we're taking a look at lessons in chemistry. Have you heard of this one?
Oh yeah, Bonnie Garmus, right. I've heard some buzz about this book.
Yeah, it's making the rounds, and for good reason. I just finished it, and wow, it's set in the 1960s, so right away you're in for this world on the verge of change.
Definitely a time ripe for stories about challenging the status quo.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And that's exactly what our main character, Elizabeth Zott, is all about. She's a brilliant chemist, but she's facing, well, the 1960s. Not exactly known for embracing women in science, right?
Right, unfortunately not. Lots of societal barriers to break through.
You got it. And Elizabeth, she doesn't just break them, she smashes right through them. But I don't want to give too much away just yet. We'll get into all the juicy details.
Sounds good. I'm ready to hear more about this Elizabeth Zott and her smashing.
Oh, you will.
Yeah.
Now, I was reading some reviews, and people are comparing it to, like, The Rosie Project and The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel.
Interesting. I can kind of see the connection. All strong characters, defying expectations.
Right. So, if you like those stories, you're going to love this one. Anyway, one review mentioned that Elizabeth is an absolutely unforgettable protagonist. So, what makes her so unforgettable? What did you think?
I think it's a combination of her fierce intelligence, her independence. She refuses to compromise who she is, even when the world is telling her to fit in.
It's almost like she's too brilliant for the world she's in.
Yeah, and she doesn't apologize for it one bit, which is refreshing, honestly, especially for that time period. You really root for her.
Oh, totally. And then